What it do, YouTube? As y'all can see by the title, AJ fucked up. He blew his shit up. We're gonna be putting some fluid in there just to top it off. It was slipping a little bit.
Oh, pause.
Ha! Gay! And he ended up thinking he was on the dyno. He punched it and blew the transmission up. But, we're gonna tap back in. We'll figure out what the fuck we finna do. You ain't got a car?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all the cheat code on how to get a free car wash. Hold on. Just tell her you got a flash pad. Hold on, bro.
You alright?
Yeah, I got a flash pad.
Yeah, you good to go, bro.
But that's how you get a free car wash. My food in the ground. My food.
It's alright, like, overrated as f, in my opinion. I mean,
Copart right now. They got some shit over there. See, they got a track. This is what we came to look at. Got a last call. Hellcat. 2023, 4,000 miles. That bitch still got the plastic on the screen. Oh yeah.
I ain't got the bin right on the door.
You said they do?
Don't.
Not much. So it must be theft recovery then.
What do you mean by that?
Got the bin on the windshield?
Yeah, it don't have the keys in it or nothing.
Shit, don't have the keys in it?
Nuh-uh. Yeah, they stole this bit before. Yeah, this is theft recovery for sure.
Got the computers in it?
Yeah, they crank it up. It was crank up on the picture. It's definitely a theft recovery. They got it from Birmingham Police Department. Definitely a theft recovery. Let me see. Got some copper slides in this bitch. Somebody needs some copper slides. Scratched the van off up. Scratched it up a little bit. That's cool. That's cool. Still got the van or not. They never took the computers up. Put on this part. Yeah, there you go. There it came on.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
trunk air. You got enough juice to pop the trunk.
Yeah.
And then hook it up to the battery in the trunk.
Oh, it's disconnected.
God damn.
It might start up on its own.
It should still, if it's got the
I don't even know how it was trying to crank up.
hold on.
Better hurry up for his zap your ass.
Alright. Try it.
Oh, you can try
It'll
that.
work if you just hit the button.
We also need to run the code, see what they talking about. How much you plug up to it and read the code and see what it says? I'm saying we just that scared me for a second. I said, it scared me for a second. Damn, that bitch got a lot of code. It says service electronic throttle control. That's what the cat's saying too. My shit. Man, that's good. I don't want to get the code. You gonna cut it off? Black seats. What the hell? I ain't never seen that shit before. If you connect up with pop-up blue, when you disconnect the battery, just hold it down for 20 seconds. Then let it go. Reset. It looks like it's supposed to be like that though. It might be. You probably got them stashed there. What else? Yeah, it's supposed to, so where's the public van then? It's supposed to have a public van on the car. Yeah, it's been hit before. Probably fun. But look on, what else I want to look at? We got a trackie. Yeah. That be clean the hair. I had to see another last call and see what's up with that van situation. This one ain't even got a van right though. Took this shit off. They took... Which one? What you talking about? Oh, another track. This one clean as hell. Red guts, panoramic. Yeah. Is it a 3-piece? Another track. No, it is just an SIT Jeep. You know, damn track hawk. They just said SITG. They been clean as hell. Motorcycle motherfuckers. Which one we came to look at? Ooh. Damn, this been fucked up. We can fix that though. Yeah. But it's just a 650. Somebody did a backflip on this.
That is good.
That look good. That really good as hell. Ooh. Look at her. Ugh, never mind. That's a 400. Ooh. What we got here? It's just a little 400 right here. Well, then starting with kids. Ah, shit, that hurt. Motherfucker just slipped into the motherfucking slide. That bitch is coming on. Nope. What's in the bag? Oh, shit. Oh no, they tried to beat the her. Ain't no telling. I don't know what's up with these stupid ass keys. Right, there you go. There ain't no clutch. There you go.
Don't let the clutch go.
Go ahead.
Don't let the clutch
Go. You just had to tow it to the crib. This be right though. Oh God. Pull that clutch. Yeah, the clutch cable snap, nigga. Like pull the clutch, I'm like, it ain't no clutch. Yeah, say that. They got them toys. And somebody done fucked up the sling and shit. How y'all do that?
come back like that.
How y'all do that?
Somebody bring it back like that.
That'd be an easy fix though.
Oh.
What the other side? Oh man.
They just stripped the side like
What we got here? It be definitely hot. Yeah, this his shit, bit. Hold on. Key in here? Nah, the key ain't in here. 17,000 miles? These are whole hard. Oh man, we just found a shiesty mask. You already know what this is. It's a stolen. You know they found something they stolen.
What do you mean by that?
Ooh, this be hard. I bought one of these. I ain't never know how to put it on. That diffuser. I spent $300 on that diffuser. I ain't know how the hell to put this shit on.
car cover, y'all already know what the car cover is for.
This a good one to buy, nigga. Nah, the paint job. You gonna have to. They spray painted the fuck out this up. Shit. Nigga, it's gonna take so much work. Hey, this a good one to buy though. Yeah, they sure did. And they bitch had the stripes on it and everything. Ooh. That $500 right there.
That bitch got a momentum Jeep seat.
Oh yeah, they be clean.
Oh, you know they do it.
Hey. Let go. Damn. Ooh. Oh man. They tried to put this one in the back.
Try.
They tried to hide this one. V motherfucker and the key in there. Oh man. Yeah, nigga. They probably got some fucked up suspension in the back though. I don't know, the wheel looks straight. It don't look straight, but it ain't bad though, it's drivable. Let me slide. This shit
light don't work. You need a alignment. You gotta pull this whole.
That should be easy as hell to fix.
I'm talking about seriously getting this.
I'm telling you, this should be easy as hell to fix. I'm gonna let the window up. Damn.
The window don't roll up. Bring right here. RT.
AC blowing cold. Boy, they got a V in this motherfucker. I don't know how to pull the key up. This shit's stupid.
You say you can't pop the trunk? Yeah. Oh. That shit got the tail light.
Got the key in there.
Little battery right there. They did a whole lot of wiring and shit. It'd be probably a swap.
Nah. Come on. Close up.
That bitch ain't even closed. Trunk don't even close, bitch. The trunk don't close. Yeah. Had them Mickey Thompsons on there though.
All them niggas. A little V action. That bitch look clean as hell up under here.
Man.
They probably took care of this until they wrecked it.
Yeah, we might be getting one.
I'm quit the light number. Damn!
Where that go later?
Such a stupid as damn! That bitch a real convertible. Look, this a real convertible. What the fuck happened to this one? What? SRT Jeep? Fuck this shit, though. Oh man, it been fucked up. Yeah, this one fucked up, twin. Somebody sat on there, huh?
Yeah, at least you know the motor.
The seats look good here. Yeah, the motor's still gonna be good. Let's see what the SRT Jeep talking about though. Decent. Decent. Ain't too fucked up. You need 2 new doors. Let's see what it is. No key.
Few moments later.
On today's episode, how fucked up is fucked up. Show y'all a little something. That's fucked up. Show y'all a little something else. All this is fucked up. This is fucked up. This is fucked up. All this shit is fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. It's fucked up. Fucked up. Yeah. Fun. Fuck you cars.
That shit crazy, man.
I don't know what to do. Cause how? Like, that shit. Heart broke. It's cool though. Y'all know me. Y'all know I'm gonna be back up and running a little bit. 190 we're down to.
I don't think your transmission broke. How the fuck you do that?
Oh, no.
God damn. Press metal everywhere. Damn. Man, so we was cycling the fluid through here and this nigga blew a hole in the transmission. Damn. If y'all want to know what the inside of the transmission look like, this is it. He broke it in half. God damn. Oh man. Oh man. So I can rather probably still good, huh? Look at all the pieces of the transmission that broke off. All them pieces of the transmission that just exploded. Yep. Yeah, I think I sent it a little too hard. Try it. Damn, it was almost up. Try it again. Try it. Let's try that one. Fuck. Keep trying. I'll go rev yours up. Rev that hook up.
It goes first. Oh, we good then.
It ain't flashing?
No.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that bitch straight there.
That bitch apart.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's out in this bitch. So this is what a regular transmission is supposed to look like, right? You see it? And this is what this transmission look like. This nigga blew the damn transmission. It's fixed now though. Gotta change this cabin air filter. It's fixed now though. We just gotta button it back up, put the bumpers and stuff. Man. Broke it in half. What it come loose. How in the hell?
I thought I was on the dyno.
Do you do that?
I'm telling you, these Mopars, I'm about to go and switch to a goddamn Mustang.
It's already fixed now. It was fixed in less than 24 hours. Paid their bread and got it fixed. This is...
Ain't no way. I don't even know how that.
That's ridiculous.
That's possible.
I know this V6 ain't giving out that much power. Oh yeah. Go crank it up though.
Get in there.